To run Google Ads, go to your Google Ads account, open it. This is Google Ads dashboard and this is its overview. Let's create a new campaign. You can create it from here. This button is given, or you may go to the left menu bar and click on the create campaign. Here we are creating the ad for our YouTube. So we are selecting the object create a campaign without a goals guidance. Select it. We are creating for YouTube, so we will select the video. The best is to custom video campaign. I will select it and press continue. Write a campaign name which is simple and easy to understand. For example, I am creating this ad with the keyword, so I will write okay, and I'm copying it so that I can paste it in the in the ad group and ads. This is bid strategy, maximum CPV, and target CPM. We usually select maximum CPV. Maximum CPV is the cost per view. Whenever the video is viewed, you will be charged on it. The other option, target CPM. CPM means cost per thousand impressions. That's mean if your video comes on the screen thousand times in front of people, you will be charged. Whether they view it, whether they click on it or not, but they have appeared on the screen for thousand times, so you will be charged for it. Next, budget and dates. Here I prefer the daily budget, and it is totally up to you. If you want, you can have the total campaign budget. I'm just keeping daily budget, let's say 300. You can write the starting and ending date. I'm just leaving it as it is because the end dates are I usually use when there is a campaign for certain period of time. Right now I will use this only start date so that it is in my hand. Whenever I want, I can stop this campaign. Network selection means where do you want your video to be displayed. Location, I am selecting Pakistan for this time. If you want to select any other, click on enter other another location where I already have selected these two. Let's say right now we are going for Pakistan. Here we can select the language like English, Urdu. So these two languages have been selected. Related videos, this is very important part. These are the additional videos which appear next to your ad. The purpose of these related videos is to increase the engagement. Let's say we are adding two videos over here. For this, go to your YouTube channel and copy the link of the videos you want to place over here and press done. Next is additional settings. Here you can decide on which devices your ad should run, show all eligible devices, or you can select specific. In the beginning, I just suggest you to keep it running on all the devices. Later on, you can choose as per your requirement. After analyzing your ad on which devices it is performing well, then select the selected devices. Right now, I'm just keeping it as it is. Next is frequency capping. There are two options. Cap impression frequency. That means you can limit how many times that ad in this campaign can show to the same user. For example, if your ad is running for months, you can fix the number of views for him. For example, I'm doing it one time per week. And cap frequency limit how many times that ads in the campaign can get a view or interaction from the same user. For example, once your user has interacted with your ad, so do you want him to interact it again? Here I'm just fixing it one time. per month. Ad schedule, you can keep your ad run all the day or you may schedule it. I want to schedule it. What could be the time? For example, my audience is more active in the evening times. Third party measurements, we will leave it as it is. Come to the next point, add your create your ad group. I will give the name. Remember, I have copied the name. Now the next category, people who you want to reach, audience segment and demographic. Here you can define the demographic for your audience. The next is where you want your ads to show. Narrow down it. Here I will be using the keywords in this ad. Otherwise, you can use the keyword, or if you are working for any topic, you can select the topic. And if you want, you can select the placements. I will tell you what is placement. Let me complete this keyword because my ad is right now on keyword based. For this, you can do some research by going to the tools and setting, click on keyword planner. Open it in the next window, discovering new keywords. I will write now get results. Right now it shows me 27 keyword ideas and it is showing me its volume. So it is giving you a very good keyword research. You can select any of it. See, the search is 673,000, 1300, 2900 times. So you can use any of these keywords. In the placement sections, you can add the channels of others where you want to display your video. For example, if I write, so the first one, I can select this. My ad will run on the videos of Azad Chaiwala channel. So in this way, you can select the placements for your video. The final step to create your video ad, just place the URL of your video. Select in feed. Here I need to give the headlines. The final step is to set the bid strategy. It is shown that the lowest price is 2, so I'm going with the 2. And in the right panel it is showing me 2.8 million impressions as an estimated result of my ad. Now my campaign is ready. Continue to campaign. So now my campaign is ready and it will start running at the given scheduled timings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share my channel and keep watching for new videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.